we got something new in the mail. As you can see, that brand. What do I have in here? Guess, I don't know. Let's rip it up. So as you can see, I need a blade. As you can see, bring it up. Packaging is great, I'll tell you right now. So these are, I bought these a while back. I just been super busy. Got some weight to it. These are a filter kit for my Ace Pro 2. It comes with a CPL, ND8, ND16, and ND32. So let's open this up real quick. Has a cleaning case, a cleaning fabric, and the case itself. I do like the case. Here's some instructions. I don't really need that. But let's open it up. Oh, it's really packaged well, I'll be honest with you. So, plastic there. There we go, as you can see. Now, let's see. They should be labeled. Yes. Here's your 32 right here. Nicely labeled. Let's just try it on, dry fit them on the Ace Pro 2. Here you go. These are the most, honestly, most affordable and branded ND filters that I saw. I'll put the links down below, but they fit snug on there. For those of you wondering for fitment, it's not coming off. It fits really snug on there. I really like that. ND16. Now I'll do a video as well on the outside to kind of give you the, I'm going to try to make sure it's like a sunny day, give you the difference here. But metal build, really nice. Like the fact that it's metal. And you have your ND8 right here, ND8. Just test fit it. All good, really all good. Last but not least, your CPL filter. Now I have another CPL filter from Teleskin, but this is just another CPL filter. The good thing is that it's a variable CPL filter, which is going to be a game changer for me. So this is on auto. Everything is on auto right here, so it's not blown out, but it's on the UV. As you can see, it is a bit bright. So I'm gonna, before I use any one of these filters right here, take the UV one off. I don't know if you see a difference there. I don't know. Here you go, UV. This is the UV is off. Let's put it on. Let's check out the scenery here. I don't know if you see a difference. UV off. UV's off. Let's, I'll do this live. Oh, okay, so we're gonna open up, but let's check out. This is the variable CPL filter. So let's try that on. So I'm literally, the sun's on top of me right now. So that's a variable filter right there. Now, okay, we have to see. I don't know if there's any change or difference. I don't see it, but I don't know. I don't know if you can see that. What does it look like? I'm thinking it's variable, but I could be very wrong, but it's twisting. Oh, there it is. Oh, I might be wrong. But okay, let's go with a different one. Let's take that off. Let's go with the ND8. This is the ND8. Let's put that on. Tell me what you think. Is it, I'm literally, the sun's right on top of me. Tell me what you think as far as, did it take it out? Is it better? We'll see. Let's do a little bit angle. The sun's behind me at this point. Let's go sun in front of me. Once again, this is the ND8 filter. We'll see if it's got any better. Okay, let's test the, I think we have a 16. Top of there, we do a 16. Because I'm trying to figure out when I go out on a ride, which one is the best one to put on here. So this is now the 16. Oh wait, put on as good as, get as snug as possible. I don't want this popping off when I'm riding. So this is a 16. Sun is right in front of me. You let me know what the difference is, because right now I'm looking at the small screen. I won't see anything until post edit, but the sun is literally in front of me. This is the ND16 right now. Good, bad, whatever. Because I want to see if there's a good purchase on, to be honest with you. Let's check that out. Okay. The sun is beaming right now, so I don't really 100% know which ones. The 16 does look a bit more, I guess the word for me is like in tune. The colors are not so, it doesn't look blown out on the little screen here. And last but not least, let's try the, now this is the 32. This is the darkest one I have here. Let's put that on. Okay. Here we go, 32. Now, this one seems a bit more in line. It looks very natural. The sun is still on top of me right here. Comparing it with a little screen right now, 8, 16, and 32. Initially, the 32 looks way better, I'll be honest with you. Right now it's beaming even more. So if you don't see a difference, then if it looks good here, this is a ND32. So here we go again. Let's go to the sun behind me. Tell me what you guys think. And then let's do a walk around again with us walking around. And this is the 32 right here. Nice. As a quick test, I'm gonna go inside more in the garage here. And the 32 should kind of darken it a bit. I'm gonna go in a really dark area right there. Now this is a 32. I'm inside the garage at this moment right now. Let me try to get on the wall even. I'm inside the garage at the moment right now. Let me take the 32 off. And is it going to normalize? So that is on auto. So now it's regulated. The sensors are on. So that's normal. And once again, 32. So let me see if it adjusts accordingly. I can see on the screen, there's definitely a tint there, darker tint. So let's take it off again. They get look blown out, it'll adjust again, and we are back. So that's the review on the newer ND filters. We have a CPL filter. I still got to get used to it because it looks like it's variable, but maybe I'm doing it too fast. I put the ND8, ND16, ND32. Check it out. Tell me if you like it, don't like it, whatever. But thank you for the support of these videos. Really appreciate it. And hopefully this will let you purchase one of these or the whole set if it's a good fit for your life. Take care, God bless, and bye-bye.